Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bed with a person in it. Here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw the bed. First of all, you have to draw a curved line. And now taking a ruler, you have to draw a straight line, but not too long. And now you have to draw two more straight lines, and this will be a little longer than before. Here's two tiny circles. Now I'm trying to draw the pillow. A beautiful little girl is sleeping on bed. Here's her face. She has beautiful hair. I'm coloring her hair with my brown pen. And now I will fill the rest with my black pen. Now I'm drawing her eyes. Obviously her eyes are closed because she's sleeping. Here's her tiny lips with my red pen. I'm using pink color a bit. And now I'm drawing her dress with my pink pen. Before coloring all over her dress, I want to use my pencil a bit. And now I'm using my green highlighter pen to draw the blanket. Here's my ruler again. I'm coloring the blanket with my green highlighter pen. And now I will fill the rest with my green pen. Perfect. Now I'm using my pencil again. Using a pale orange color to color her skin. And now I'm using my pink color to color her dress. finally, I'm coloring the pet with brown pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.